The punk subculture emerged in the United States, the United Kingdom and in Australia in the mid-1970s. Most punk rock songs are short and have simple or basic arrangements using few chords. Punk-related beliefs are mostly concerned with individual freedom and anti-establishment views. Early British punk expressed pessimistic views with the slogan "No Future", which came from the Sex Pistols' "God Save the Queen". Punk rock lyrics are typically frank and confrontational compared to the lyrics of other popular music genres. They frequently comment on social and political issues, especially in the early British punk. Our central goal was to outrage and shock the mainstream. The Sex Pistols' classic "Anarchy in the UK" and "God Save the Queen" openly questioned the British political system and social morals. In the late 1970s, British bands such as Crash attempted to transform the punk rock scene into a full-blown anarchy movement. At the same time as Born in the UK, a working-class new type of punk rock called Oi. The music and its associated subculture had the goal of bringing together punks and skinheads and other working-class youths. The mainstream media associated Oi with the far-right politics, despite many Oi bands condemning racism and fascism. In the 1994, the underground market put out bands like Rancid and NoFX. After 2001, political bands opposed to the ad of George W. Bush, such as Rise Against Anti-Flag and Against Me, found success. So is punk really dead?